Hi, Gearshifters, welcome back. In this episode, Keith over at Crossroads Harley-Davidson just finished up my 50,000 mile service. And before I head out, he is going to install my new heated grips, put on my new seat, and get me on the road. I'm really excited because Keith is installing heated grips for me. This is going to be a game changer. I just know that my electric gloves are not comfortable to wear, so I'm hoping that this will cut down my need for those.
Slide down far.
So the heated grips, they don't pull a lot of power, right?
Probably about 3 to 4 amps at the most. They don't pull a lot, no. This charging system's more than able to take care of that.
Look at that.
A broken memento.
Awesome.
They're glued on with super glue.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You don't want those slipping off.
No, you don't want your hand grips falling off there. That's not a great idea. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. All right. There's a sealed cap in the end of the grips. Wiring goes through the end of the grip, the end of the bars.
So we needed to remove a weight that was inside of there, so we just pulled it out. Took a little finagling and a little bit of beating, but it's out. Oh, you have to take the end off so you can run it through the bars and then reattach the end?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Thought this was going to be easy, didn't it? Now, maybe there's enough room for one to pass through.
Make it slippy slidey.
All right.
You made that look easy. So did these get wired to the battery, or do they get wired into...
They get wired into the bike's electrical system. You cut the switch off, they're off, regardless of whether you left them on or off or whatever you did with them.
Okay.
And kind of typical for these grips, sometimes this housing, these are hard plastic grips, so it doesn't allow the housing to clench the bar tight. It won't come off because there's a lock. And there's no way it will fall off, but it's typical of parts that are manufactured aftermarket. It is what it is. Can't do anything about it.
You're having to put that plug into the end of that plastic.
Yep, that's how you make your connection to the other side of the bar over there. It's already in your throttle by wire grip. If you want to add it in the future, it's always there. One of the harder parts is getting that rubber plug in. Usually takes a lot longer than that. The pins are not aligned very well, so it takes 2 to 3 attempts. Right. Probably going to have to move this thing off the lift to do this next part. More than likely, I don't think I can do it on the lift. You have to remove your entire electrical cable to connect these electrical wires. Well, except maybe not that one. See it? Alright. Ow.
So what is that for?
This is power to your grips. It's actual power to your grips. Now, we'll roll this back up on the lift again.
That's nice. They throw in the zip ties.
Yeah, they give you everything.
Oh, wow. That's nice. They throw in the zip ties.
Yeah, they give you everything you need in this kit.
Except the Master Mechanics Extra. Totally worth it. And I'm sorry, it's full of stuff.
It's okay. You can get in there and get to it. Most of them you can't even get to the button to do that. A little bit of lube.
Nice.
Locks. That way the elements and the rain and corrosion. It's something you should do from time to time. This one, I don't know if it's ever been done, but it probably should be done by now.
I know I haven't done it.
That's something that will not hurt. WD-40 will work fine. Any of that stuff works fine. All of that stuff will work really good. I'll get your fork lock and do it the same way.
I'm really excited about these small upgrades. They're going to make a huge difference in my riding. Thank you so much, Keith, for hooking me up with some heated grips and a new seat. Special thanks to Mike Lippert for making sure I'm all shined up and ready to hit the road. Subscribe and ring the bell to be notified each time I release a video. My name's Jordan, and I believe in gear shifting gratitude.